Howdy, boys, girls, cats, and squirrels, so close, so welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome back, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you're having a wonderful week so far, and we've finally reached the grand finals for the tag team beatbox battles in GBB 2021. That's right, Rogue Wave versus Middle School. I see some sprinkling of similarities between the two, but they are very different and have strength and weaknesses that they showed a little bit on the stage, but for the most part, they've been very, very strong tag teams. This, I think, is going to be an amazing grand final. Back and forth, counter beats, counter flows. Let's go. Drop the L, hit the bell. If you guys are excited for this grand final, Rogue Wave, Middle School, let's get it on.
The grand finals tag team, when it comes to the grand beatbox, are you ready?
We're like watching it in 480p.
I said, are you ready?
Yes.
First, introducing from Belgium. Make some noise once again for Middle School.
Yeah. I never listened to this tag team before GBB 2021. I would say that they're definitely a breakout. They might be the underdog for this one.
From France. Give it up for Rogue Wave!
Yeah. And they've had like a break, a couple minutes at least, you know? So they're refreshed. Ready to probably battle it up. You see that hunger in their eyes. Got some love for a little bit of everybody in the crowd.
All right.
Let's go. I want to be on that part of the crowd right there with Alexino.
Alexino showing love from the shoulders. Let's do this thing. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here.
Great, Scott. He's such a good host. I'll say it every time.
Middle School versus Rogue Wave, finals of the Grand Beatbox Battle 2021, coming at you live from Warsaw, right here, the World League Edition.
Imagine if there was somebody else up there. I can't.
I ask you again, left, right, front, back, side to side. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Since Middle School ranked higher, they have
chosen
some
beatboxing music right now, like somebody in the corner
on both sides, much love shown. But the battle's going to go down. 2 rounds back and forth. We'll find out who the champion is. But crowd, one more time. I say the twa, you say the turn the Rogue Wave, it's on you. Twa.
Wait. Did they not seed higher?
Say the twa. They have chosen Rogue.
Wait, who's
side to side? Are you ready?
Sorry, this could be the most important part of this video. If they seeded higher,
Since Middle School ranked higher, they have chosen Rogue Wave to start this battle. Fair play on both sides, much love shown. But the battle's going to go down. 2 rounds back and forth. We'll find out who the champion is. But crowd, one more time.
I'm actually surprised that they seeded higher, but
Rogue Wave, it's on you. Twa.
Maybe they aren't the underdogs. Middle School are the seniors. Keeping up that theme from the other battle. Like, this is their style, but it's just so refreshing every time. That's how you start a battle off. They're really good. They're just too good. I got no words to say.
Time is a delusion. Focus on the rhythm. Oh yeah.
Woo! This is what you want to see with them too.
Time is a delusion. Focus on the Time is an illusion. Focus on the rhythm.
And that's
I could have used more of that
time. Switch.
These are good routines so far, man. This matchup is providing. I love it. It's like operatic. What is this build-up?
Time. Switch.
Yeah, this is really close so far. They're just both so technically savvy, and you can tell they've just been practicing together for what feels like years, decades. Middle school is really impressing me, though. I gotta say, their last round was really nice.
We don't have time, we win the shit like. Easy.
This is what I want. That counter, or at least a call out. Oh. Even River can't deny that is hard. I gotta bring it back. I'm sorry. That is just with the mosh pit and everything.
We don't have time, we win the shit like.
The rolling kicks into the bass is so nice. Oh, and they're just bouncing off each other. It's nuts. I love it. Dude, they're fired up. I don't blame them. They did their thing. Kenny and Chris are like, oh, they did their thing on that. Middle school kind of impressed me, I gotta say.
I can't hear you. Make some noise. Give it up for these guys. Come on. Middle school. Rogue Wave.
Middle school
again,
may take this.
What a grand beatbox battle
was for me.
Final for the tag team division. If you enjoyed the battle, give me an ooh-la-la. Give me an ooh-la-la.
If there's one thing, I definitely love watching middle school beatbox. They're so fun to watch. I don't know. Is River Collapse just too powerful?
I need to get middle school and Rogue Wave to the middle.
It could really go any which way. I thought that both sides did their thing. It's exactly what I wanted. The only thing I could say is I wish Rogue Wave had more of a counter and aggression towards middle school. What is happening?
Ladies and gentlemen, your tag team champions, Grand Beatbox Battle 2021 World League Edition.
Footbox G looks like this means a lot to him.
Give it up for middle school!
Damn, look at him, yo. This is how you know it's the biggest beatbox competition in the world. When you got people crying when they're winning. Just like the hype. I love it, man. The camaraderie amongst the community is... It's just rare to see in other communities quite like this in the creative world, you know? In the artistic world. Yo, this purple suit! I want this purple suit! Oh! You can always tell when there's beatboxers that have just been through what seems like a lot. They've challenged themselves and persevered to reach to the point to get the W. Heartwarming, man, to see. Like we saw with Collapse when he won. Oh, man. I'm going to cry, yo. I'm going to cry.
Once again.
Footbox.
Let's get a picture.
Oh, that's so good for him, man.
Your champions, middle school.
I think that they deserve it. I think that they had a stronger final just by a smidge. Just a little bit.
And of course, coming in second place, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Rogue Wave.
It's not a good grand final without just the winner, you know? I think it could have went any which way. They already won some stuff anyway, so...
Hey, yo, it's middle school.
Although I definitely feel like River is going to have some type of chip on his shoulder for this year coming up. Even though I feel like he proved himself already with his wild card and the eliminations and the battles, I just feel like there's going to be a fire burden for him to catch the win next year. But ladies and gentlemen, what did you think of this matchup, middle school versus Rogue Wave? It's exactly what I wanted. I thought that their styles would connect a little bit better in a matchup. I feel like middle school had better cohesiveness when they were beatboxing and trading off sounds. Like I just call it ping-ponging, but that technicality of interlacing a kick drum with a snare, and somebody's doing a kick drum and somebody else is doing a snare, and then somebody's doing an inward bass and melody, and all these different pieces. I could just tell, like listening to them, you could hear the panning of some of the sounds and where they were coming from. And it was oddly satisfying listening to them beatboxing and doing certain sounds and ping-ponging it back and forth to each other. That might be one of the main features and reasons the judges looked at them. I think they just overall had stronger rounds. Although Rogue Wave's first round, I have to put up there with like some of the best tag team rounds I've ever heard. I love that routine. But overall, middle school's routines, you could just tell by the reaction and just the quality of beatboxing. Middle school this time around was just a step above in the class. But watching all these tag teams keeps me so hopeful for the future for this category. We saw all the elims that were completely stacked with tag teams that could have went into a semifinal, in my opinion. So for the future of this category, it looks very promising. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in to this grand final for the tag teams. What else do we have next? Is there anything next? Loop stations. I totally forgot. Oh man, I just got some shivers that went down my spine thinking about loop station battles on stage, yo. Some of the biggest GBB highlights are from the loop station category, so no doubt be excited for that, be pumped up for that, and I'll see you on the next one. Shake 'em and bake 'em.